RTD Associates has been the progressive leader in providing innovative roofing and waterproofing technology in design, diagnostics, and quality control since 1982.
We rely upon years of experience in cutting-edge technology, providing professional, objective, and unbiased evaluation of our clients' facilities. We help clients budget and prioritize their roofing needs, allowing them to be proactive, not reactive, to their facility's exterior skin needs. Using state-of-the-art technology, our non-destructive testing equipment, complete roof analysis, and subsurface moisture investigation services, we provide our clients thorough assessment of roofing deficiencies and entrapped moisture. Entrapped moisture is the #1 cause of premature roof failure. We also excel in roof engineering design, as well as contract, administrative, and project management services. Plus, our client roster represents a spectrum of industries, from high-tech corporations and municipal bodies to medical facilities and colleges and universities.
If you'd like to learn more about how our expertise can effectively protect your company's interest, please contact us today.